Hello everyone, welcome back to Good Tips, and in this video we are going to talk about how to fix error Hogwarts Legacy is attempting to launch with the optional parameter Helios error, which is happening for many of the users, and how we can fix this error. So let's move to the workaround. So it is very simple. So all we have to do is we just have to go over here. In the Steam, just click on the game, right click, go to properties, go to local file, click on browse. Now from here, as you can see, you will be taken to where the game is installed. So this is where the game is installed. Now as you can see, this is where the game is installed. So now what we have to do is we just have to select the first one. So select this one, right click, go to show more option, go to properties, go to compatibility. Over here, as you can see, run this program as an administrator is selected. So uncheck this, go for apply, go for OK. This is the first step. Just uncheck, run this program as an administrator. Next one is all about. After this, just go to Phoenix or open Phoenix folder, go to binaries, go to Win64. You will be having one more. So select this one, right click, go to show more option, go to properties, go to compatibility. And over here, if run this program as administrator is selected like this, then you just have to uncheck this. If it is not selected or if it is unchecked, then keep it the same and go for apply and go for OK. Then try to play the game. This is what you have to do. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.